Okay, sir. We are going to be a third session to Bangladesh and India collaboration project. Today's project is two part. One part about my favorite time and second one about no poverty. Okay, at first I share my screen. Can you see my screen, sir?
Yes, ma'am. We have seen it with the title Welcome.
Okay, thank you. Welcome to our session today, India and Bangladesh collaboration. Our group is
Yeah.
3 member. Um, I am one member in Bangladesh. My two pair is Sheikh
Colleague.
Rabbani sir and Bishwanath Patil sir.
Okay.
Okay.
Today part 1 session is about my favorite time. At first one, hobby. My hobby is traveling and leisure time I singing a song.
Okay.
I visited many favorite area in Bangladesh and I visited 2 times in India, Bombay, Delhi, Agra Taj Mahal, and Delhi Gate, Qutub Minar, and Goa Beach, and different places. Bangladesh, Cox's Bazar is my favorite places. Uh, this year in January, I visit Cox's Bazar and Saint Martin. Can you see my picture, sir?
Yeah. We have seen. We have seen picture. Uh,
Can you see?
yeah. It's you
Sir,
and
this picture
with
is
whom?
Saint Martin. This is the
Okay.
Proval.
Okay.
And my favorite game is our
Buddy.
Bangladeshi national game, Kabaddi.
Yeah.
Please, so
Are you player of Kabaddi, madam?
yes. Sometimes my
Ah,
students are playing kabaddi and trying kabaddi. Kabaddi is our national game.
that's a great. Because in India, especially in the state of Maharashtra, Kabaddi is also the game of Maharashtra, man.
Okay, sir. My favorite movie is Titanic.
Which one?
I cannot share this movies uh, uh, movie because movie is long
Okay. But
and
what's the title of that
my
movie?
and my and my
Titanic.
several time I
Titanic.
saw my
Titanic.
Bangla movie and I also see in Hindi movie, in Indian movie I like
Which is your favorite actor in Bollywood industry, ma'am?
Salman Khan. Salman Khan and
Oh,
Kajol. Kajol is my favorite heroine.
oh.
Ajay Devgan is my favorite hero and Kajol.
Okay.
Sir, favorite places to travel. Next one. My favorite places to you see. I try to see my. Uh, this is Saint Martin.
Oh, these are seagulls.
When you journey in Cox's Bazar to Saint Martin, then you ship then you saw some many birds are um, flying around ship.
Oh,
Okay, sir. Next one. Do you know Technaf?
What, ma'am?
Technaf. When you
No.
journey in Technaf to Cox's Bazar to Saint Martin, then this scenery, this mountain is Technaf, and this is Bangladesh sea beach.
Okay. It's a nice, ma'am. Is it the biggest mountain of Bangladesh, ma'am?
Yes, yes,
Huh?
yes.
Ah,
Thank
I
you,
heard.
sir. I invite you
Yeah.
in visit Bangladesh, and this
Okay,
places is
okay,
very interesting and very nice, very very nice.
okay, okay. After this pandemic, if I have to plan to go outside, I will surely visit Bangladesh.
Okay, sir. Welcome.
Uh, and if you come in India, you are most welcome in India, and I will ready to pick up with your family in
Okay,
India.
okay, sir. Thank you, thank you. Maximum time Bangladeshi are going to your medical treatment in India, Goa, yeah, Chennai, Kolkata.
But Chennai,
In pandemic
Kolkata is there.
situation, I will pandemic situation is overcome, then I will go to doctor in Kolkata, Balurghat,
Kolkata.
in
Oh,
Shivli Mukherjee Clinical Hospital, maybe.
oh,
Doctor Shivli Mukherjee.
okay. If you visit Kolkata, then my number is there. You can call me. But you have to come in Maharashtra. It's far away. I think it's just 1200 kilometers from Kolkata.
Oh, many far, sir.
Yeah.
So next one, my favorite book. Uh, do you know our national father, Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman?
Yeah. We
Yes,
heard about it.
he write a book, অসমাপ্ত আত্মজীবনী.
Okay. What is the
Unfinished,
meaning of
unfinished,
it?
অসমাপ্ত আত্মজীবনী, unfinished আত্মজীবনী, own life,
Okay.
আত্মজীবনী, own life.
Okay.
My favorite book. And do you know Humayun Ahmed? Humayun Ahmed write many books, প্রেমের গল্প, লাভ স্টোরি, and লীলাবতী my favorite book.
Oh.
Favorite dance is Bangladeshi dance, but I will saw this session ended, then I will sawing a Bangladeshi dance.
Bangladeshi dance.
Yes.
Is it folk dance, man?
Yes, I will showing one dance. Please, this first session is ended. I will showing a Bangladeshi dance.
Okay.
Next topic is which places you want to show your partner and why? Sir, Mecca and Medina, I want to take my partner because there I can see the house of my God. I can
Yeah,
Oh,
say,
definitely.
that is the destination, ma'am.
yes,
That is the
Mecca,
Hmm.
destination. Yes,
Mecca,
Makkah and
Mecca,
Medina.
Mecca. Yeah,
Hmm.
Makkah and Medina.
yeah. I can
Hmm.
pray
That is,
and I can see the lives of the people there. I
yeah.
Hmm.
I go to here and I see.
I think in Makkah and Medina, it's a destination that every my Islamic brother want to visit here.
Yes,
Yeah, definitely.
yes,
Is it right, ma'am? Is it right, sir?
yes,
Absolutely.
yes.
Rabbani, sir?
Yeah, sir.
Ah,
You are
yeah.
absolutely right, sir. Absolutely right.
Rabbani sir, you hope that you visited in Makkah, Medina? Rabbani sir, can you hope?
It's a it's a
Medina.
Makkah for Muhammad Paigambar and
Yes,
No, no,
Medina for his uh,
no. Makkah for
Akka.
the holy place, that is the house of Allah, and Medina
Yeah,
is
that
for the that means the graveyard, that is the tomb
uh,
of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam in Medina.
uh,
Hmm.
okay. Because
Hmm.
I
Hmm.
think uh,
Hmm.
can we discuss with this point, ma'am? Sirji?
Yeah, sure, sure.
Uh,
Why not, sir? So please, please.
uh, because in the last his
Hmm.
I think his son-in-law,
For, hmm.
and then he come to the
Hmm.
Makkah or Medina
Hmm. Hmm.
because his son-in-law was follow him or chased
Hmm.
him. Is it that
sir,
some
can
kind of
you
story,
see my
sir?
picture screen?
Yeah.
Yeah,
We have
yeah.
to see your screen with the title of favorite game.
Hmm. Ma'am, you have finished that is the first point, that is about my favorite time. You have finished here, but now about no poverty. Objectives are there. There is the
Sir,
targets and indicators also there.
sir.
Current status, what is the
Okay. My
status?
time is
Yeah.
40 minutes.
Huh.
Okay. Can you see my screen?
Yeah.
But
We have to
there
see.
is only
Yes, this is
one point.
Bangladeshi dance.
Favorite game.
This is finished the first session. Then I
Okay.
start my second session.
Okay,
Okay. You
start
can
now.
start,
Second
ma'am.
session. Something the song like Ekla Chal Bore. Hame Ekla Chal Bore.
Okay, sir.
About about
Now my start
about no
about no
poverty.
poverty. Uh,
Hmm.
and poverty in all its forms everywhere. Not only
Yeah.
Target.
Bangladesh, not
It's
only India, everywhere is
no.
poverty.
It's
Hmm.
a
The
universal
global,
problem, ma'am.
yes,
It's a global.
the goal has been
Hmm.
target and 30 indicator to measure progress. The 5 outcome targets
Hmm. Hmm.
in poverty reduce of all poverty, we have implementation of society protection system
Hmm.
ensuring equal rights and ownership, basic
Hmm.
service আমার একটু স্যার আমি একটু এটা সরাই service technology and economic resource and the building of realize the environmental, economic, and social disaster, the two targets related to means of achieving SDGs are mobilization of resource and to end poverty and the establishment of policy framework at all levels. Data indicators.
Hmm.
Wait, sir. Wow. By 2030,
Hmm.
credited extreme poverty for all people everywhere, currently
Hmm.
measured as people living on less than 1.26 a day.
Hmm.
By 2030, reduce at least by half and population of men, women and child
Hmm.
of all ages living in poverty in all its
Hmm.
demonstration according to national define, definition.
Hmm.
Preparation of men and women and children of all ages living no poverty in all demonstration according to national definition. Poverty of population covered by social protection system by sex, children under uh, low age person, older person,
Hello.
person with distant.
Hello.
Yes, yes.
Hello, madam. Sorry to disturb you. We all have all this information with us, so it's better you can just that means overlook.
Okay, okay, okay.
It would be good for us because without wasting any time, because we have all this information with us. Am I right, Paril sir?
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, yeah.
Name of some
Okay,
local,
okay.
national, and international organizations which are working to reduce poverty in Bangladesh.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
This is the important.
Definitely, definitely.
Okay. International organization is World Bank
Hmm.
has been longest partner in
Hmm.
Bangladesh. Bangladesh since in independence, the World
Hmm.
Bank through fund Bangladesh has been among the largest recipients country
Hmm.
in IDA fund and currently has the largest IDA program
Hmm.
totaling $11.3 billion are funding in Bangladesh. The World Bank has also been the largest
Hmm.
external funder of Bangladesh,
Hmm.
providing over a
Hmm.
quarter of all foreign aid of the country. Okay, next
Hmm.
ones are ADB. ADB is the leading development partner of Bangladesh. It's established since
Hmm.
1966. ADB has been
Hmm.
many policy supporting in development member of my country and many activities
Hmm.
reduce for many activities they are
Hmm.
taking to reduce poverty
Hmm.
um,
Hmm.
property and government of
Hmm.
Bangladesh to fulfill its global of poverty
Hmm.
reduction. Then ones are
Yeah.
Grameen Donate Foundation.
Hmm.
Grameen Donate Foundation has
Hmm.
established in 2007. This is the one international NGOs in working in
Hmm.
Bangladesh to reduce poverty, and they are
Hmm.
arranging different time,
Hmm.
different
Hmm.
training and motivation, women,
Hmm.
children, and
Hmm.
older men, and they are supported
Hmm.
laborer and daily workers.
Hmm. Hmm.
And next ones are USAID. Bangladesh
Hmm.
is a key Indo-Pacific partner in South Asia, with nearly
Hmm.
1 in 3 people living in poverty. The United States
Hmm.
partners with Bangladesh to overcome challenges that under time equa- um, equitable
Hmm.
economic growth and democratic sustainability. Committed to
Hmm.
helping Bangladesh achieve its goal and attaining middle income status by 2004, USAID builds self-reliance by strengthening Bangladesh's ability to plan, finance, and implement its own development solution. Next one, sir, European Union. European Union is supported in Bangladesh in middle classes. Um, mm, 40 minutes is over, sir, already.
No, ma'am, you can continue. If
Okay.
you want more time,
Uh,
you can.
To progress in supported key national reform agenda, public financial management in social security. And another one, sir, international NGOs, Oxfam International, the Organization of Poverty, um, European Anti-Poverty Network, In Poverty Now, World Relief Institute for Research on Poverty, Innovations for Poverty Action, DRAC, the Bhargan Project, Human Organization and Poverty Reduction.
Okay, great, ma'am.
Sir, our country is one of the most NGOs in we are uh, in BRAC. Do you know in BRAC? I think BRAC only in working in Bangladesh. BRAC many
BRAC is
countries
the
have,
name of,
yes, many branches.
yeah, BRAC is the name of NGO in Bangladesh, and it's the largest NGO in the Bangladesh. And UNICEF, I think UNICEF provides some facility to
Yes, yes, sir.
some facility to this.
UNICEF,
Is it that BRAC, ma'am?
FGO, Food Forward, UNO.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
UNICEF also provide financial support that BRAC.
Yes, yes.
Is it right, ma'am?
Okay, sir. BRAC established as a December of 2016, a national aid organization. BRAC had reached over 1,900 families in Bangladesh suffering for extreme poverty. BRAC was founded
Oh,
in
yeah.
1972 in Bangladesh with the goal of discovering the cause of extreme poverty in the nation and a way to relieve its people. The main aim of the organization was the empowerment of the woman through intervention described as a poverty generation plan. The steps of the plan as a follows: largest group transfer assets, provide weekly, encourage member to be a saving account, provide specialized training, introduce health care, and integrate the group into society. And
That is the work of
there
BRAC.
are many works in our country for women, child education, saving money, and arranging different level participant, different level training, and produce many things. This is the one of the organization. They are working in Bangladesh in the solve poverty and rural. This organization is working in rural area. Do you know maximum NGOs are working in same and different, but NGOs are target and mission and vision are similar.
Okay.
Local organization, a non-government organization that is simple called NGOs, plays an essential duty and role in Bangladesh for developing and financial and economic situation of the poor people of the country. Many NGOs are taking so many activities currently. So many NGOs are available in Bangladesh. They continue trying to providing a development oriented task for the poor rural and urban people, and also providing awareness of them and organized those for rural and urban people.
Okay. Means that is the work of the local organization in Bangladesh.
Yes. Today I am talking the among those top NGOs in Bangladesh based on activity, customer, supporter and feedback, which is the best microfinance institute in the country. Here's a list in the 10 best NGOs in Bangladesh. BRAC, it started in 1972. ASHA started 1978. Caritas Bangladesh started in 1967. CARE Bangladesh 1949. Puro Bangladesh 1990. Shakti Foundation 1992. Jagroni Chakra 1976. TMSS 1980. Etc. But another are different NGOs are working in Bangladesh, and they help the poor, and they working in urban and rural area, um, and they are helping every type, every poor woman, and then they target women and child, older
Ice cream
men,
khale.
and providing, and they are reduced in poverty. Um, they are working for this. Okay, my dear friends, thank you to my third session is ended. Then I go to BA Sheikh Rabbani sir or Patil sir, who is
Oh,
right. Thank
okay. It's
you
a
for
nice
Okay,
presentation,
thank
ma'am.
you much, ma'am. Pleasure to watch your presentation. Your PPT, PowerPoint presentation is awesome. You have really done a very fantastic job and excellent and stuck to their job. And it's a really pleasure to the second session of our field sessions, that is the no poverty. And already given the information about the first time. Pleasure to hear, ma'am. And Patil sir, may I start?
Oh, yeah. You may start, sir.
Shall I start the session?
Yeah.
Okay.
You may
Oh,
start the
oh,
session
oh,
with
okay,
all
okay.
pleasure.
So, welcome to the session. And I'm Sheikh Rabbani Kali from India, Maharashtra, and my another members uh, joining the party is Shobnam from Bangladesh and Mr. India from Jalgaon. So about my favorite time is that in my late time, I used to listen and as well as the good musics and Hindi songs. And, I'm also singing a song. Is my hobby, and my time of flatly wasting is doing my time in making a commentary in cricket commentary in English, in Hindi, and Marathi as well as till
Oh, great,
state
sir.
level. I have facilitated many kinds of awards due to the commentary as well as the singing. I am a singer. I am an actor also. I can sing in any singer's voice in Bollywood. Padil
Okay.
sir.
Uh-huh.
So if you give me the name of a singer, hello. Uh-huh.
Yeah,
If you
sir.
give me the name of a singer, I can sing in his voice. So
Okay,
this
okay.
quality I have, I can sing in any singer's voice.
We are
This is my
lucky.
quality, and I can also have
Yeah.
the
I'm a big fan of Kishore Kumar, sir.
Yeah, definitely. I have sung
I'm a
lots of
big
many
fan of Kishore
songs of
Kumar.
Kishore Kumar. I just want
If you
to
want
give
to,
you uh, uh, one
if you
one
want to
one
give
demo of Kishore. That's it. Which song you like? To tell me your favorite song, I will sing that.
okay. You're most welcome, sir. पल पल दिल के पास और
Tell me
सागर
your
किनारे.
favorite song. I will that one.
My favorite song is that पल पल दिल के पास.
सागरिनारे
Oh,
दिल. Okay, पल पल दिल के पास. Okay. I will that one. पल पल दिल के पास तुम रहती हो जीवन मीठी रात ये कहती
Okay, start Rabbani sir.
Okay, okay. Yeah, pleasure. Hello,
Again,
Patil sir.
again
Yeah,
say.
yeah. I'm online, sir.
Now see, that's the one antra I'll just sing and then we'll continue. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, okay.
Did you listen me now?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, okay. कल तुझको देखा था मैंने अपने आंगन में जैसे कह रही थी तुम मुझे बांध लो बंधन में ये कैसा रिश्ता है ये कैसे सपने हैं बेगाने होकर भी तुम क्यों लगते अपने हैं मैं सोच में रहता हूँ हर पल ये कहता हूँ पल
Wow.
पल दिल के पास
Superb, sir.
तुम रहती हो थैंक यू सर प्लेजर टू सिंग ओके
Oh, great, sir. Such an
Great,
amazing voice you
great,
have, sir.
amazing, amazing. Nice.
थैंक यू
Real,
Wow.
great one.
Really
Oh,
great.
you have really, really
so
superb, sir. You have really melody voice, sir.
thanks,
Wow.
sir. Now, see, sir,
Uh,
I'm in love with English because of commentary of English only. I love to watch
okay.
cricket because my favorite game is cricket. Okay, so
Oh,
while listening the commentary, you have listened so many commentator. Our great commentator of India is Harsha Bogle, Ravi Shastri,
Harsha
and
Bogle.
Sanjay Manjrekar. Ravi Shastri, Sanjay Manjrekar. But as we think about the international level, Tony Greig is my one of the favorite commentator. I used to make a mimicry
Yeah,
of Tony Greig. And, Jeffrey Bycott is also there, and Chappell again, and then West Indies. You know the West Indies people how they commentary in
pronounce.
IPL. Just
Yeah,
I will
their
give you one.
pronunciation is different than other commentators.
Okay, I'll give one demo of just West Indies people how they pronounce in that commentary. Okay, I'll try.
Yeah,
Now,
okay.
Ravi Shastri. Yes, okay to have a very good player here from Karen Pawar is playing a very fantastic job. Karen, please, it's a pleasure to be today is your show. So, would you like to say something about what you have done now? अभी Karen Pollard क्या बोलता है सुनो.
Okay,
Well,
okay.
it's a pleasure to bat here. Really, when the Indian Mumbai Indians are very lucky for me. And today, when I came into the bat into the middle, and my ball is connecting to my bat very quickly, and I played that shot really nicely. The ball is really coming onto the bat, and today is my show. And what I did,
Great,
very well.
great.
Play that shot, and I really happy to be a part of Mumbai Indians. And I really honored to be Sachin Tendulkar, the great player, really guided me all the time when I play here.
Oh,
So this is
superb, sir.
this is the West Indian tone used to say, and Tony Greig is one of the best commentators. So this is my
Yeah, sir.
favorite. Yes, sir. Now my favorite game is cricket, as I already mentioned. Now second point is my favorite movie. So even though I like a romantic movie, my favorite hero is Shah Rukh Khan, and my favorite heroine is Madhuri Dixit. But being a teacher, I like Tare Zameen Par because it is an very much emotional and a motivational movie as far as our students are concerned. So I like my that movie Tare Zameen Par, and Amir Khan has really done a very superb and fantastic job in that movie. It's a really inspiration movie for us now. Yes, as a next point about my favorite place to travel. Already, Shobnam has mentioned. I love to travel to Makkah and Medina because this is my aim, and pleasure to have Mr. Patil sir. Already he has mentioned that all are Muslim. That means people or brothers,
My Islamic brother,
Islamic brothers, as aim that they want to go to Makkah and Medina. So my place to travel is also because what I think in my place, none other place is as that means watchable like Makkah and Medina. In Makkah, we have the house of Allah that is called Makkah, and in Medina, our Prophet, the messenger of Islamic Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, is buried there, and he is the tomb is Muhammad was there in always in Makkah, in Medina. Sorry. So this is my favorite place to travel. Now my favorite book is there are so many books my favorites are but I really like the Holy Quran because Holy Quran uh, uh, some people, non-Muslim people or other people think that Quran is only for Muslim, but no.
No, no,
Remember,
no, no,
sir,
no.
Quran is
Quran.
for
Quran is the one of the greatest.
whole mankind. Yeah, whole mankind, and you will
Yeah.
find every problem solution in. So you, even though you can have the study of Vedas now, so in all the whole that Ved. So if you go through that Vedas in Bhagavad Gita or Bible, whatever it may be, you will see the comparison, the similarity between all the religions is lies in each and every holy book. So there are so many similarity between Vedas and as well as Bibles and Quran. Sir, it's my TV,
Yeah.
but any
Dr. Eyes. Yeah, yeah. I
yeah,
heard the
he's a
speeches
scholar person
of
now,
Zakir
who's having
Mais. Yeah, yeah, he's a great one.
all religion,
He
who's
has a
aware,
knowledge of
and
Gita.
yeah.
Sir,
So
can I say
if
something about
anybody
him?
has any problem or any questions regarding
Yes, sir.
yeah,
Yes,
please
sir.
sir,
Please
please.
start.
Okay, okay. Okay, this is the third session. We have to start it with my Bangladeshi colleagues, Mrs. Shabdam Misri, my one of the colleagues, Mr. Rabbani Sheikh, who is a native of mine, means belong to the North Maharashtra,
Yeah.
because such Nashik comes in also in North Maharashtra. Sir.
Yeah.
Okay.
Nashik.
Okay, this is the first sessions about my hobby. We have a lot more hobbies because we have not defined it. What is the kind of hobbies and what is the meaning of leisure time? Because in my hobbies, if we say that we have a lot more hobbies and we just follow it and we just continue it and we also maintain it some. Here in the first that my favorite games. My favorite game about my favorite game. I like cricket very much. I like to watch cricket as well as I like to play cricket. I was a university player of North Maharashtra University. I'm a good one
Wow.
off spinner bowler, and
Wow, very good,
still
sir.
now, yeah.
You
Uh,
are playing.
now, yeah. I'm playing with my sons also. If we got a time, on that time we just play with it. About my the second one is
Yeah.
movie. My favorite movie. As a students of literature, we have to get more knowledge through the movie because literature is the mirror of the society. And what is in the movie? Movies also show some burning kinds
A
of
reflection of the
issues.
society.
Yeah. And movie also reflections of society. We need about which is my favorite actor. I like Amitabh Bachchan very much and Rekha
ओए
ji.
क्या बात करती तुम हाँ भाई तुम
Yeah.
जानते नहीं है चची ना
Yeah.
अभी
Great
अपन
one,
का
sir.
मौत के साथ में अपन के अपॉइंटमेंट है
Yeah,
विजय
sir.
तेरा
Yeah.
अच्छा है
Yeah. In
please
school,
continue sir please
in
continue
in school days or in a college days,
yeah
I'm a movie goer. Sometimes I
क्या बात
bunk lectures and go to the movie in that time. Yeah.
है we also
So
used to do all this
yeah.
Hmm.
About my favorite movie, and especially one thing, sir. Some of the most super hit movie of Amitabh Bachchan. By heart, I know the dialogues. I mute the channels whenever I watch a movie on television. I mute the channels. When Amitabh Bachchan is come, that
क्या
I
बात है
mute the channel and I just
Hmm.
dialogues which is mentioned
Hmm.
in a movie that I just follow it. That is a great one thing, which is my favorite movie. I have lots more favorite movie.
Hmm.
Diwar is the one of my favorite movies, and I watch hundreds of times.
जाओ बस आदमी का साइन लेकर आओ
Yeah.
जो ये मेरा हाथ पे लिख दिया था कि मेरा बात हो रहा है तब मैं साइन
Yeah.
करूंगा भाई
But especially my yeah.
yeah
Especially my favorite movie is Jaane Bhi Do Yaro. Have you seen that, sir? Jaane Bhi Do Yaro?
जाने भी दो यारो क्या comedy one.
हाँ.
Yeah.
जाने भी दो यारो. Have you seen
Hmm.
that movie?
Hmm.
जाने भी दो यारो.
Yeah, so many times. It's a very funny one.
Yeah, it's very funny. It's
Ha.
a ironic movie. It's an ironic based movie in what
Yeah,
happened
yeah,
in the
yeah.
society. And
Satish Kaushik is also no Satish Kaushik.
yeah, all
Yeah.
kinds of non-commercial actors
Dramatic
acted in that
actors
movie.
are there, all there.
Yeah,
They
yeah,
are
yeah, yeah.
making the fun of I think Mahabharata, something like that.
Yeah.
One I think got it now.
Mahabharata. Yeah.
Yeah, he has got it.
And
Yeah.
some political
Yeah,
issues.
yeah.
How the politicians play with the
Yeah. They are
citizens.
of irony of all this.
Yeah.
Hmm.
And
Nice one.
whenever the finishing that movie, there was one of the song
Hmm.
that Chodok, sorry, not that
Hmm.
one. That we shall come over.
Hmm.
Uh,
Hmm.
do you know that song, sir?
Hmm.
Do you heard that song,
Yeah.
sir? हम होंगे कामयाब. And हम होंगे कामयाब after complete. Yes.
Like
After completed the song, the
yeah.
movie is finished. It's the end. Yeah. So that movie is really heart touching to us. About my favorite place.
Like that one also.
Yeah. About my favorite place to travel, I like to visit London, but I have already that.
London.
London, and surely I will visit one day. I have confidence that I will surely.
Definitely one day we will definitely go to London.
Yeah. London or New York.
I'll pray for you.
Because yeah. Because I just want to that we have to visit abroad, but Angeles. That is the definitions of abroad that we have to visit in London. And my favorite place to travel, that is the Goa.
Definitely.
I frequently visited Goa
For
enjoyment.
enjoying the beauty.
Yeah. That is my favorite place to go there. Whenever I have time in a month of May, summer vacation started. I just recently visited.
You have been there for Goa?
Yeah. I have visited.
Wow, kya baat hai. Enjoying the beauty of the
Yeah. Frequently I visited there.
Yes,
Yeah,
I visited Goa.
Wow, kya baat hai.
And one beach, crystal clear water. This is
Yeah.
Yes, Timi is always up and going. Timi, crystal clear water beaches are so nice in Goa.
Yeah, beaches are so nice. And I enjoy their seafood. In Goa, there's the seafood.
Yeah.
Seafood. I enjoy their seafood. That is Goa is a really good place for enjoyment.
Halwa, poplet and prawns.
Yeah,
I
these
like it. All the seafood.
these are the common fishes, sir. These are the common. But there, if you see there, you will enjoy the sea. There are a lot more variety of seafood.
I have visited to Goa now.
Corn or etc. Means whatever you want there, you can get it there. Okay. But whenever you have time, sir, you have to visit Goa. Okay. About my favorite books, I have a hobby
Definitely. Inshallah,
to
in my
read the books.
future, my next time.
Okay. About the next question is about my favorite book. I'm a really fond of the books. I'm a bookish person in my school days or college days. My friends say that you are the bookish ones. You are really fond of the books, and I have read. Yeah, bookworms. They call me that, but they make a they make a fun of me, and they just title me that. Yeah, you are the bookworm. You are the bookish person. You are always ready there. And I really love to read. I have read lot more books, but recently I have read one of the novel that is called is Mahashweta. Mahashweta. is a Marathi novel. It was Mahashweta.
Okay.
Mahashweta means we call it that Mahashweta. Mahashweta, it's a Sanskrit word. In before 30 or 40 years ago, the white spots comes on the body. We call that is a code.
Yeah, code.
Yeah, that is the Mahashweta,
Mhm.
and it's a name of
Shwet means white.
Mahashweta. Yeah. White spot there.
Mhm.
And Mahashweta, about
Yeah.
Mahashweta is the name of that character. She was very beautiful, but after marriage,
Mhm.
she got that disease, and that is called
Mhm.
Mahashweta. Means if the
Oh,
people
she's
say
suffering
that
from
are
that
of
disease. Okay.
yeah. That's kind of Mahashweta. It's
Hmm.
really emotional novel in Marathi.
Yeah.
Yeah,
My
that's I like
second,
very much.
sorry to disturb you, Mr. Padil. My second love after English Marathi.
Okay.
I have
That's
been
good one,
much
sir.
fond of that Kavya Sangrah of Bharambe, Baba Borkar, Anta Shelke, and due the fond of the Nick, I used to give them the rhythm of that Shelke's Kavita. Asin mean asin.
Okay.
Shall I sing it for you?
Yeah, oh, yes, sir.
Now
Asal me
the
tasal.
poetry of Shanta Shelke is Asin Senmi. है ना?
Yeah.
So when I was in college at that time, I used to give the song that means what we call lyrics of song to the Shanta
List.
Shelkevi. That means poetry.
Okay.
Uh,
Yeah.
Asenmi, nasenmi,
Oh, superb, sir.
asenmi, nasenmi, tari asen gitiye, fula, tiye, fula,
Are
उद्या
superb, sir.
हसून गीतिया. And भारत आहे that ही वाट जाते स्वप्नामधील गाव है ना ही वाट
Oh.
दूर जाते स्वप्नामधील गावा माझ्या नातला का ते असे रावा ही वाट दूर जाते स्वप्नामधील गावा. Another one is जनपलभर म्हणतील हाय मी जाता राहील का
Oh.
जण
Oh.
पळभर म्हणतील हाय जण पळभर म्हणतील हाय मी जारा राही कारी काय मी जादा राहिली कारी पळभर म्हणतील हाय. Sorry sir, please carry on. Sorry disturb you.
Superb, sir. Superb.
Excellent,
And the next
excellent.
is which? Excellent. Great, sir.
I read so
You're
many
really melodious
Marathi
voice, sir.
literature also line to line because of Milind Patil only, because of Milind Patil. That Saravasi Gariche, Jayan Jawikar, then Sarja Arun Sadhu, Kondwada by Dayawar, and there are so many literature in Hindi also. We have not read, we have swallowed all books. In University of Pune, Department of English. In that University of Pune, Jaikar Library is the that means पुणे तिथं काय शिक्षणाचं माहेरघर आहे आणि माझं भाग्य आहे त्या मित्रामुळं मला त्या जयकर लायब्ररी 18 तास ओरिजिनल टेक्स्ट वाचायचं संधी भेटली बिकडं मिलिंद पाटील. इट्स अ प्लेजर टू हॅव. आणि या सगळ्या पुस्तक ओरिजिनल एम चे लिटरेचर बी लिटरेचर त्यांनी सर्जातून सर अरुण साधूची ज्या बैल असणारी कादंबरी सुद्धा लाईन टू लाईन वाचून घेतली आमच्या इतकं डिटेल करून घेतलंय बिकॉज
खूप सुंदर sir. Next question is which place you want to visit with your partner and why? I want to visit with my partner in New York or Los Angeles for the enjoyment.
Wow.
And why? Especially, yeah, because that's a dream that Los Angeles and New York. New York is the place of shopping, and Los Angeles is the place for the enjoyment. So just
Sir,
I
I want to
but
stay.
that's my
I
dream
want
that.
to go with you, sir. I want to go with you. Rabbi sir, and
Ah,
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
yeah.
Ah, ah, yeah. And now means now we have to come to the next session. That's about that no poverty.
Yeah.
I think that the poverty word should be removed from this global. All the
Yeah.
word. We should try
Yeah.
to remove it. About the
Definitely.
poverty, if we talk about Asian country, especially India, India also suffering from poverty. He has to mention all kinds of, he provide all kind of facility to the people, but still not remove the poverty.
Hmm.
The same thing
Hmm.
with our neighboring country with Pakistan and Bangladesh.
We
About
can
the
say in
poverty,
Asia. We can say in
yeah,
Asia.
yeah, in Asia, because where we have a slogan in those
Hmm.
time,
Hmm.
Garibi Hatao. At the
Yeah,
same
yeah.
time,
गरीबों को मत हटाओ.
in a neighboring country, Pakistan, there was also slogan of roti, kapda and makan.
बिल्कुल
But
बिल्कुल लेकिन
still,
होगा क्या मालूम है कि सर एक्चुअली गरीबी आने की जगह पर गरीबों को जाता है
Garibi, yeah, yeah. Now we have to experience about such a things in this period. Okay, that is a
yeah
political issue, but we don't want discuss about it. We will personal discuss
Hmm.
it. So for this,
yeah
I pray to the God, I pray to the Allah that
yeah
as quick as or as fast as the holy power
yeah
should
yeah
remove the word poverty from
yeah
the
definitely sir
whole world.
one day will
Yeah, yeah. That's
yeah
because you have to, ma'am, Shabnam ma'am and Sarji, you have to explain
जी
such a kinds of thing about the poverty. You have to explain it very nicely, but I don't want to repeat it. But I just pray to the God, I just pray to the Allah, just remove poverty
yeah yeah
and provide the medical facility to all the people with no cost
human being they
in
are
this
suffering
situation.
nowadays
Yes,
yeah
yes,
yeah
yes, yes,
definitely sir
yes. That's I
yeah
pray. So
education
you
and
should,
medical facility should provide it for the coming
yeah,
year
yeah, yeah,
that is the
yeah,
basic
yeah,
need
yeah,
one basic need now we can
yeah, yeah,
not only kapda roti or man but also a medical facility
yeah, 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 yeah,
Hmm.
yeah. For
Hmm.
after this prayer, just I want to, sir, I just forget one point that about my favorite dance. Hello, I just
क्या बात है
forget about that my favorite dance. Lavani,
yes
Lavani
yes
is
yes
my
tell
favorite
me which
dance.
is favorite dance
Yeah,
हाँ
yeah. Ma'am, do you know about the Lavani?
क्या बात है
Hello,
yeah yeah
Shabnam
yeah
ma'am.
yeah I know
yes.
yeah yeah
Yeah. Ma'am, do
yeah
you know
yeah
about the Lavani?
No, sir.
Do you know about the Lavani?
No, sir.
पाटिल सर
Lavani is a folk
पाटिल
dance
सर
of Maharashtra.
Yes.
Yeah, it's a folk dance of Maharashtra, and it's very popular.
Yes.
When
पाटिल
I
Yes.
सर
come Maharashtra, then I will take it.
Okay, okay. You're most welcome, ma'am.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you, sir.
पाटिल सर
Yeah, sir.
हेलो
Yeah.
हाँ just I would like to Lavani for you for one antra for me for
Oh,
you
yeah, sir. Good, sir.
shall I
Yeah, you may, sir.
Hmm, hmm.
Oh,
पुण्य गावात पुण्य रावाची कोणत्या गावाची गौराणी आली टंकत नार लकत मान मुरडत हिरवराणी आली टंकत नार लचकत मान मुरडत हिरवराणी
आली ठुमकत नार
Thank you, sir.
लचकत मान मुरडत हिरव्या राणी ग साजने साजनी माझं साजन माझं साजन साजन
Yes, sir.
आहा.
Yes.
My
Hello.
Yeah. आता वाजले 12 मला जाऊ द्या नाही गेला वाजले 12 आता something like that.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
Hello. This is the Lavani. It's from
Lavani of
Pingra movie.
Maharashtra, first.
Lavne of Maharashtra. It's picturized in Pinjra, and Pinjra is one of the Marathi novel of Shankar Patil.
Yes.
The story based
Yeah.
on teacher.
Yeah, and such a story is based on teacher.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice one.
Yeah,
Shubham,
that
ma'am,
is the
you are
pen.
going to show us the Bangladeshi dance after this session. You have promised us to show. Will you please show us the Bangladeshi dance?
Sorry, sir.
You have to just promise us that after complete the session, you will show on a screen that dance, Bangladeshi folk dance.
Oh my God.
Bangladeshi dance. Not by your we would like to see the Bangladeshi dance.
Okay. I will share one dance. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Manu. Fan.
Continue, sir. Patel sir.
Oh yeah. Now, after complete that song, I have just finished my session. Okay, now it's come to you, ma'am.
Okay, sir. Nice one. Presentation, Patil sir. I
Thank you,
really
sir.
that means happy to listen.
Okay.
Some of the inspiration thought from you, your hobbies, your favorite dance, your favorite movie. Really, that means I really liked. I pray to Allah. May inshallah all fulfill all your desire may fulfill.
Thank you very much, sir.
Definitely.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Patel sir. Your nice
Okay.
presentation.
Yeah.
And Rabbani sir.
Okay.
Thank you. Your nice presentation.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Today our third
Okay.
session is finished. Okay, we
Yeah.
stop recording.
Yeah.
Then
Yeah.
we add the